the American people do not wake up to what is being created, we might not have an opportunity to fight back the authoritarian dictatorship that is in the making. This is not just about going after public education. This is about going after the system of governance we have in this country. Elon Musk, who grew up in apartheid,
Yes.
Trump, who worships dictators around the country, and strongmen are not interested in our constitutional republic. They are not interested in upholding our democracy. They are not interested in abiding by the Constitution as they sidestep the congressional powers we have in Article 1. They are not interested in abiding by the court orders that our judiciary system is doling out. So you, the American public, have to stand up. Democrats are ready to fight for your rights, to fight for the country we all love, to protect the America that so many people envy. But you have to also be willing to pay attention to what is happening and hold the people you sent to Washington to represent you accountable.